Good morning, student. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about your first chapter of your syllabus, and your chapter name is Networking Concept. This is your first chapter, and this video is for the 8th class. Your chapter name is Networking Concept. Students, when two or more than two computers are connected with each other, then it is formed a network, or it is called a network, and the process of sharing data, information and other kind of resources, hardware resources, is called networking. So this is chapter related to the networking concept. Your first topic is computer network. As I told you, when two or more than two computers are connected with each other or any other peripheral devices is called a computer network. Here, many of the advantages of computer network, making a computer network. So let us discuss about advantages of the computer networking. First one is communication. Communication means baatcheet, means even us or computers have to communicate it with each other. Like when we want to share any idea or we want to share any message to any other person, then we have a verbal or non-verbal communication with other person. Like either you write a letter to him or either you make a verbal communication. Same as computer also need a communication for sharing information, data and any other kind of hardware devices. So communication is the very important process in our network. Even with the help of networking, we share our information in a network very quickly and easily. Because if you have a network of around 100 computers or more than 100 computers, then even only a single minute, in a single minute, a message you want to deliver in your network, then it sent to all of the users. So this is a very quickly or very fast service. The network help us to make our communication more easily and smoothly, also quickly. Second one is sharing of hardware resources. With the help of network, we can use a single device. Like as if you have a network of 100 computers, then with the help of network you can work on a single printer. All the computers can use the single printer if the printer is shared in a network, or not as printer, any other kind of devices like as scanner, speakers, projectors, many more. So this is your second. Next one is sharing of software. It is also a very important topic, because today many of the software have very much cost. Like as if you want to install Windows 7 or Windows 10 or any other Windows in your computer, then you have to pay around 7,000 or more than 7,000 rupees for Windows. But if you have a network, then you no need to buy a new Windows for your computer, because a network or a server allows you to use or to work on a even single software. Means if you have a central device management which is called server, if server allows to use a single window or any other, like as accounting software, painting software, editing software or any other software, then all the computers which are connected in a network can work on a single software. So this is also a very important topic. Next one is preserving information. It is also a very important, because if you have a network, you no need to save data in your computer. A network means a server central device is responsible for save data, and it is also provide backup for your computer. Means by accidentally if you lost your data, then you can backup your data from the central management device. So it is help us you to preserving your data. Next one is cost effectiveness. A network help us to reduce your cost because your 100 computers can work on using a single printer or any other device. If you didn't have any network, then you need to purchase or buy a separate printer for your PC. So it also reduce your cost. Okay. Next one is sharing documents quickly. It is also an important point because even you use your WhatsApp or Facebook or any other messenger type social networking sites. If you have connected within 100 peoples or more than 100 peoples, means on any festival or any other kind of occasion, you want to send a message to your friends. If you have a group, then you need to send only once, but if you didn't have any group, then you need to send personally message for your friends. So same as in computer, if you have a group of computer or a network of computer, then you need to send only one time of your information or any data. But if you didn't have any kind of network, then you need to share your message, your data personally to every and each of the computer. So student, network help us to share information more quickly. Next one is update data. Means time to time we need to update your data, or if you have your Android mobile, then you see here time to time apps has been to be updated. So same as if you have a network, then your data is time to time updated regularly. So guys, students, in this video that's all. In next video we have to going to discuss about component of a network. Thank you students.